today we will see types of sets. Types of sets. First type, singleton set. Singleton means a set having single element or only one element is called as singleton set. For example, A is equal to only 2. There is only one element, therefore set A is the singleton set. B is equal to 15. In set B there is also 15 is the single element, therefore this set is also called as singleton set. Next one, empty or null set. Empty set or null set. A set having no elements is called as empty set or null set. Empty set are denoted by phi. This is the symbol of empty set or empty set. सिंगलटन सेट मध्ये ज्या सेट मध्ये फक्त एकच एलिमेंट असेल त्याला सिंगलटन सेट म्हणतात. एम्प्टी सेट म्हणजे काय, ज्याच्यात एकही एलिमेंट नसेल त्याला एम्प्टी सेट म्हणतात. तो डिनोट करण्यासाठी फाय या सिंबलला फाय म्हणतात किंवा एम्प्टी सेट. थर्ड इज फायनाइट सेट. थर्ड टाइप इज फायनाइट सेट. If elements of a set are countable are called as finite set. For example, set A is equal to 1 2 3 dash 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 1000. Here we can count easily 1 2 3 dash dash dash, last element is 1000. Therefore finite set means a set elements of sets are countably finite or countable are called as finite set. Fourth is infinite set. If elements of sets are infinite or countably many, called as infinite set. For example, set of natural number 1 2 3 dash 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 means up to so on. Set of whole numbers, that is also starting from 1 2 3 and so on. Set of integers 1 2 -1 -2. These all three sets are infinite set. Also set of rational number, set of irrational number, these are also infinite set. Now fifth point is equal sets. If element of set A and set B are same or equal, then we say that set A and set B are equal set. Here in set A there are 1 2 3 and in set B there are also 1 2 3. Order of set is not important, order of elements is not important, therefore we say that A is equal to B. Symbolically set A is equal to set B. Now we will see practice set 1.2. Friends, first question. Decide which of the following are equal and which are not. Set A x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Given to us there are three sets. Set A, that is x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. First we solve set A. Content of set A is 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore simplify this equation. 3x is equal to 2 minus 1 is plus 1. 3x is equal to 2 plus 1 3. Therefore x is equal to 3. Multiply 3 become divide 3. 3 by 3 answer is 1. Value of x is 1. Means in set A there are only singleton 1. 1 is the only element. That is singleton set. Second, B is x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite number. 1 is the singleton number that is neither prime nor composite. फक्त एक ही अशी एकच संख्या आहे की जी प्राइम पण नाही आणि कंपोजिट पण नाही, तो आयसोलेटेड नंबर आहे. त्याच्यानंतर सी पार्ट. C is equal to, this is first, second, third. Now third, x such that x belongs to n and x less than 2. आता बघा set of natural number that is starting from 1, 2, 3 and so on. x ची किंमत कशी आहे 2 पेक्षा लेस, परंतु n मधली 2 पेक्षा लेस असलेला एलिमेंट म्हणजे तो सुद्धा काय येईल, फक्त सिंगलटन 1 येईल. पण आता जर विचार केला आपण, सेट ए मध्ये सिंगलटन 1 आला, सेट बी मध्ये सिंगलटन 1 आला, सेट सी मध्ये सुद्धा सिंगलटन 1 आला. जर ऑब्झर्व केलं, देअरफॉर ए इज इक्वल टू बी इज इक्वल टू सी. ऑल थ्री सेट्स आर इक्वल टू ईच अदर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. In second question, decide whether set A and B are equal sets. Give reason for your answer. First is A is even prime numbers. Answer of 2. Solution of second. 2 is the singleton even prime number. What is mean by prime number? A number which divide itself is called as prime number. इव्हन प्राइम नंबर्स मध्ये 2 हा एकमेव नंबर आहे, बाकीचे सर्वच्या सर्व प्राइम नंबर ऑड्स आहेत. त्याच्यानंतर बी, सेट बी इज इक्वल टू x such that 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Simplify this equation. 7x minus 1 is equal to 13. Therefore 7x is equal to 13 plus 1. Therefore 7x is equal to 13 plus 1, 14. Therefore x is equal to 14 upon 7. Multiply 7 and divide with. Therefore x is equal to 2. In set A there is singleton element that is 2, and in set B there is also a singleton element that is also 2. Set B is equal to singleton element. Therefore from 1 and 2, set A and set B are equal to each other. दोघेच्या दोघे सेट काय असतील तर कॉन्ग्रुएंट असतील, इक्वल असतील. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Which of the following are empty sets? Why? आपल्याला एम्प्टी सेट आयडेंटिफाय करायचे आणि त्याचं रिझन द्यायचं का. फर्स्ट, A is equal to A such that A is a natural number smaller than 0. आपल्याला माहिती विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, नॅचरल नंबर्स आर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1, 2, 3, स्मॉलर दॅन 0. आता 0 पेक्षा लहान असलेले नॅचरल नंबर्स, 0 पेक्षा लहान असलेले नॅचरल नंबर येणारच नाहीत. त्याच्यामुळे सेट ए मध्ये काय येईल तर एम्प्टी सेट येईल. एम्प्टी सेट ऑल्सो डिनोटेड बाय 5. एम्प्टी सेट 5 ने सुद्धा डिनोट होतो, किंवा एम्प्टी सेट म्हणजे सेट मध्ये एकही एलिमेंट नाही. हा असेल सेट ए. Which of the following are empty set? Why? This is the empty set. Why empty set? Because there is no natural number less than 0. Set B. B is equal to x such that x square is equal to 0. We know square of 0, that is 0. Therefore in set B there is singleton element that is 0. Therefore this set is called as non-empty set. जर आपण 0 चा स्क्वेअर केला तर आन्सर 0 येतं. म्हणजेच बी सेट मध्ये 0 हा एक एलिमेंट येईल. 0 स्क्वेअर इज आन्सर 0. Therefore in set B there is 0 and number of elements in this set is 1. Therefore this set is called as non-empty set. या सेट मध्ये एकही घटक नाही असं झालं नाही, म्हणजे 0 सुद्धा घटक आहे, तो नंबर आहे आयसोलेटेड, म्हणून तो नॉन एम्प्टी सेट असेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. C is equal to x such that 5x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x belongs to capital N. Simplify 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 5. This is not a natural number. 2 by 5 हा नॅचरल नंबर नाही. आपल्याला काय सांगितलेलं होतं, x बिलॉंग्स टू n, म्हणजे x जो येणारी किंमत असेल ती नॅचरल नंबर मधली असेल, परंतु नॅचरल नंबर मध्ये 2 by 5 येणार नाही. Therefore set C. Now question number 4. Write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. Write with reason which of the following sets are finite or infinite. First, a is equal to x such that x less than 10. X is a natural number. X less than 10, x is a natural number. Natural number are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because less than 10, 9 is less than 10. 10 is not less than 10. आता या ठिकाणी लेस दॅन 10 सांगितलं असल्याने आपण काय केलं, 1 to 9 पर्यंत घेतले. 10 घेतला नाही, कारण 10 जर घेतला तर इक्वल टू 10 होईल. 11 जर घेतला तर ग्रेटर दॅन 10 होईल. आणि निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स घेतले नाही. निगेटिव्ह नंबर्स का नाही घेतले, तर आपल्याला फक्त नॅचरल नंबर्स मध्ये पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर्स असतात. Therefore this set is called as finite set. Second example or second question, b is equal to y such that y less than -1. Y is an integer. In integers there are infinite -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. All these elements are integers and this set is an infinite set. -1 पेक्षा लेस असलेले इंटिजर लिहायचे आपल्याला. -1 पेक्षा लेस असलेले -2 येईल, -3 येईल, -4 येईल आणि असे सुरूच असतील. हा सेट असेल इनफायनाइट सेट. थर्ड वन, सी सेट ऑफ स्टुडंट ऑफ अ क्लास 9 फ्रॉम युअर स्कूल. तुमच्या शाळेत असलेल्या 9 क्लास मधल्या स्टुडंटचा सेट फायनाइट असेल की इनफायनाइट? फायनाइट, बिकॉज वी काउंट इट. Therefore this set is called as finite set. Fourth one, set of people from your village. तुमच्या गावातील असलेल्या लोकांचा सेट आपण काउंट करू शकतो इझिली. Therefore this is also a finite set. Fifth set, set of apparatus in your laboratory. Set of apparatus in your laboratory. This is also a finite set because we can count all the apparatus in laboratory. Therefore this set is also a finite set. Next one, set of rational numbers. We could not count a rational number, therefore this set is called as infinite set. Next one, set of whole numbers. Whole numbers are also infinite set. Thank you friends. Next part we will see next lecture.